guys, it's Emily here. So I have a Monster High doll in this box. I'm so excited to open. I don't think I post the other one, the Frankie I got. I think I'm gonna post this one first. But I recently got 2 Monster High dolls and I'm so excited. So let's open this one up and ignore how red my face is. I went to the beach today, so yeah, got very sunburnt. But yeah, this is from the, this doll, I think it's called Freaky Frozen, I think it's called. I never saw it, but it is the one that it's like a mermaid, siren mermaid, mixed with a ghost, I think. I think that's what my friend told me, because she has this one too. And I cannot get her open. The Frankie one I did end up getting brand new. She's the one from the Ghouls War one, I think. But yeah, I'm kind of getting different ones from different of the lines that they did. So, oh my god, I cannot get this box open. So this doll, I just thought she was so cute, and I was like, you know what, I want her. So, because I'm trying to get too many, but there's a few I want to collect. So, yeah, I decided that she'll be one of the ones I would get. So I got her off of eBay, and this person really packaged it really well. So I'm like really happy about that. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna get peanuts like everywhere. So she is in here. Wow, they packaged her so well. So here she is. She's like basically like brand new. So that's what she looks like. I'm so excited. Like I said, my friend has her, so I saw what she looked like already. But this one seems like in better condition. So I'm really excited to see what she looks like. So I made sure I get a good condition one. And ooh, oh my goodness, she is really cute. So here she is. Oh my goodness, she's very well conditioned. I think I got her for like 30 bucks, I think. So here she is. See if I can stand her. This makes me nervous. Okay. Makes me so nervous doing this. Because I'm like, I don't want to like end up breaking her by mistake. But I know she can like stand. But she's like leaning back though. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to play with her. But her hair is so cute because my friend's doll didn't have this like cute little loop she has in her hair. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It is so cute. And then this is the back of her hair. Like I said, it is very, she's very good condition for a used one. Because I really want to get ones that I'm not really played with, like more of a collector version. So, that's why I've been getting, like, trying to look at newer ones because it's so hard to find ones with, like, perfect hair. But, yeah, I just thought she was absolutely adorable, so I had to get her. And I love how she's, like, a mermaid. I just, like, think she's so cute. The only thing is her earring. I just now took notice of that. I didn't take notice of that before. Is she supposed to have an earring that matches that? I don't know. I didn't take notice to that, or was it broken off? Actually, no. I don't know. I'm confused. I'm going to have to look that up. Maybe she's supposed to have that, just that one earring. I forget. I totally forget. Like I said, I'm now getting back into them. So, I kind of missed when they were really, really popular. I had the original ones, but sadly, I sold them. So, yeah. Not going to talk about it. But I'm happy I'm finally getting back into them because they are such adorable dolls, especially for a Halloween collector to have. They are just too cute. Yeah, this is gonna be a little tricky. She kind of like can't really stand that well. She keeps like leaning back, so I might have kind of a trouble explaining her since I can't really use a stand for her. But she's very cute. Like I said, I don't see anything wrong with her at all. She's very well conditioned for a used doll, and I love her hair. So gorgeous. Very, very cute. So, yeah, I really, really like her a lot. She is just so cute. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and check out my Frankie one that I will be unboxing. Like I said, she's brand new. I'll be posting that one soon. So, make sure you keep your eyes out, goals. Oh, my goodness.